Nobody wants to be on your dumbass server unless you have a cool bot. This is what you do. You go here, discord.com/developer/applications, log in the application. Don't name it Paul. There's too many Pauls. All right, you cannot name it Paul for some reason. Paulina, that might work. So let's do that. All right, it works. Now just go down into my video description, grab the link I got for you there, replace the client ID part like so, copy this, paste it in here. If you don't get a server here, that means you're not allowed. So you either go and create your own server or you ask the admin for the correct permissions. Select the server and it will appear. There we go. So now let's go back to the developer portal, go back here, bot, and grab your token. Now it is very important that you do not share this token with anyone because it's essentially the password for the token. But if anyone grabs your token, then you're in serious trouble and you want to go back here as fast as possible and click the regenerate button. Let's jump into some code. Let's see Paulina get some life into her or him. So I've written some code here. I'm gonna have it on my GitHub, also in the description, like so. And let's just init our little node package here. And then we're gonna install the discord.js. Discord. So I'm not going to go into exactly what the code does today, but that's going to be the goal for the next coming few videos. We're going to be making our bot as cool as possible, because damn it if I don't want a cool ass server. Yeah, that's the goal anyhow. All right, cool. So now node source index and let there be life. Paulina. There we go. Cool. Now Paulina is online, and you know what she can do? Don't read this, okay? She can do this. She can do a pong, and that's essentially what the code does. And now this is going to be the tutorial for now. We're going to go into this further. As I said, join the server if you have any questions, ask in the comments, whatever. Just do your thing. And yeah, for real, I want to know. If you do anything cool, share with me. I really want to know. And see you soon.